Oh. Hey guys, we're at the Waterfall arena, and let's see what handlers they have. And hopefully a thin air, because that's one of my favorite hand dryers. You know, this elevator used to have a Montgomery, and they replaced it into a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. So let's go check what handlers they have. Hopefully something good. Nice! What? Are you kidding me? A Puredri Bobrick? This is a really nice dryer. My first Bobrick Puredri. And this thing is really tall. Yuck! Yuck for the cowards. It's almost like top of the sink. Unbelievable. Yeah, I don't like cowards. There's the epic alarm. This thing is really awesome. My first Puredri. I never ever seen this before. Where's the camera options? Just leave it. Let's see, what's the date? Ooh, nice. Made in, I think it was made in June 2022. This used to have an accelerator, stupid eco, and now they replaced it into a Puredri. Because it was my favorite dryer, because it was my brand new experience of this. Oopsie, I better not exit, because I'm just gonna check the date. Yep, it is made in. Oh, I don't know why am I doing that. My bad. Now I'm gonna change it. Now I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh, it's recording. Here we go. This is gonna be epic. I'm gonna set up the sound. Okay, I found the way. Yep, use this. Oh. I don't know why. Okay, here we go. Nice, this thing is really epic. Let's go check the nursing room, what they have. Hopefully just not only the cowards. Let's see what they have. Oh, hell no! Why? No more Puredri anymore. That's sad. Now time for the men's restroom. Yep, they do have a Puredri in the men's. This is really interesting. Let's check the date. It looks like they do have the same date. I'm gonna wash my hands. Here we go. Oh, bruh. this thing is really awesome, sir. Can you please stop filming the hand dryer videos, or else I'm calling the cops. Oh, yikes! I got busted by a Karen. Anyways, that's it.